The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 is one of the most comfortable sneakers that you can have in your collection. The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 was brought back in 2022 and seen an increase in popularity. The Nike Zoom Vomero 5 has been trending all over social media, and we've seen probably around 50 releases since 2022. The sneakers are fitted with mesh and synthetic uppers, giving them texture and depth. They sit on top a nostalgic chunky sole. Underfoot, we have Zoom Air cushioning, which promises continuous comfort with every step. Its cushioned foam sole delivers an ultra-responsive feel all day. You cannot go wrong with the pair of Nike Zoom Vomero 5s. Surprisingly, the Vomero 5 has been cemented as a staple of modern sneaker culture. When they released back in like 2018, 2019, nobody really wanted the pair. Nike released a blue pair, a red pair, a green pair, and probably a black and white, and they pretty much sat on shelves, so Nike just stopped creating them. But now, when they came back, for some reason, somehow, everyone wants a pair. So not only are they a popular sneaker, but they are a very comfortable sneaker as well. One of the silhouette's most notable strengths are its versatility for various wardrobe selections. The Vomero 5 is equipped with ample cushioning, ensuring comfort for both laid-back commutes and rigorous workout. The sneaker is great for every day and for the gym, all without compromising on comfort and style. This sneaker is comfortable, but also fits into all of your streetwear outfits. This sneaker honestly fits any look no matter what day. Whether it's errands, working out, or having a casual day with friends, the Nike Zoom Vomero 5 is comfortable, stylish. So it's an undeniable pair, and it's one of the most comfortable pairs that you can have in your collection.